Hey guys, how's it going? In this video, I'm going to solve this problem 14, longest common prefix. This problem was asked by Amazon for 15 times and Facebook for 10 times in the past 6 months. Let's dive in. So we need to write a function to find the longest common prefix string among this, an array of strings. If no prefix, just return an empty string. So example, flower, flow, and flight. So the longest common prefix will be FL. Over here, over here, over here, and this one dog, race, car, and there's no common prefix. This is why we just return an empty string. Also, there's a constraint here. The length of the strings is between 1 and 200. Also, the number of strings is between 0 and 200 as well. So let's okay. How can we solve this problem? I'm going to use a horizontal scanning to solve this problem. There are multiple approaches to solve this one. I'm gonna go with the horizontal scanning. So first, we have to find the minimum length of all the possible strings. So first we have an array. I call it string length, which is basically measure the length of each one of the strings and then push it to the array. And now I have the variable called mean length. Basically take the minimum of all these length of the strings. Okay, and I have the prefix. I initialize it as an empty array for index I in the range of the minimum length. So basically I'm scanning through each one of the strings only at in the range between the 0 index and min length -1. So that's the maximum number of comparison I'm going to do. And then I have the character. So I just pick the first string. This is the first string, and this is the ith character. I call it ch. And then for j, so basically this is this outer for loop will loop through the characters within each one of the strings, and then the next for loop through each of the strings, starting from the second string to the last one, because first one we have already taken care of. If the ith character of the j's string is not equal to the current character that we're looking at, we break it all out. Just immediately break out for this function, return the prefix we have been collecting at that stage. Otherwise, we will append that ch to the prefix, that character to the prefix, and then we keep collecting each one of the character until we hit this condition, or we exit from this two for loops. In that case, so let's say if we have a string looks like this, AAA, AAA, AAA. In that case, we won't hit this exit condition. We will jump to here at the end, right? So at the end, we will return AAA as a longest common prefix. Submit that. So time complexity is going to be big O of the minimum length times the number of the strings, okay? Because we have these two for loops, and space complexity is going to be the length of the minimum length of the string. Okay, so this is my solution. I hope it is helpful. If it is, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.